Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to transfer a larger amount from your HDFC account? Here's how to increase your transfer limit in just a few steps. First of all, log into your HDFC NetBanking account and using your customer ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to Funds Transfer and click on Modify Transfer Limit. Now enter the new higher transfer limit you want. Keep in mind there's daily and monthly cap based on your account type. To confirm, you will receive a one-time password on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and hit confirm. That's it. Your transfer limit is now updated. Wait 24 hours for changes to take effect. Now you can transfer higher amounts easily. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching.